Jump from the back, man. Just jump from the back, man. Go for it, go for it.
And we're off. Goodbye. Goodbye. This boat's going to take us to Silhouette, and then a short wait on Silhouette, and then another boat to Mahi, and then to the airport. Can't see it, but there's a whale shark right there.
Your last jump, man. He's just there. He's curious about the boat. Jump from the back, man. Just jump from the back, man. Go for it, go for it.
Alright, this is Silhouette Island. Filming on my phone right now because I may have fried the GoPro. When we were coming over from North Island, we saw a whale shark. So I jumped in, not thinking that I had the media mod on the GoPro, which isn't waterproof. And so it stopped filming after 2 minutes. So we'll see if it's fried when it dries out. Until I get to Turkey, I may not have a GoPro until I can find a new one. I've got the 360 cam on my phone, so you'll still be able to see lots of me. There's a free shower in the Seychelles airport. So I managed to get in here, but I wasn't expecting a shower, so I don't have any, I don't have a towel. I've got a bunch of paper towels that I'll be drying myself off with. But a well-needed shower and a paper towel dryer. Here's my pile of paper towels. It worked! Welcome to Turkish Air. Look at that. Bonus for an 8-hour flight, not having somebody next to me, so I can stretch out a little bit. So that was a little screen. Decent legroom. Not the most comfortable seats, but when you get an extra one next to you, it makes all the difference. We'll see you when we land. Hey guys, welcome to Istanbul Airport. Got a connecting flight to Ankara, and I made it through passport with a breeze. Hardly looked at my paperwork, so it's all good. So now I hopefully can get on the next flight because they want a PCR test on the website that says 48 hours and mine's going to be just under 72 hours. So hopefully I can finagle that, and if that's the case, then in a few hours I'll be on my final flight for now. Let's go find this domestic check-in.